How to replace the lenses. To remove the outer lenses, open the visor and remove all lenses. To replace, take 3 to 5 tear-offs and secure them over the locators, ensuring the tabs are facing outwards. Take an outer lens, remove the protective film from both sides, and secure behind the tear-offs. To remove the inner lens, peel away the gasket in one corner and lift up the lens. Remove the lens from the gasket. To replace, remove the protective covers from the inner lens. Bend the lens down the length and slide the bottom left corner into the gasket. Then insert the top left corner and slip the lens into the gasket. Work the top of the lens into the gasket to halfway. Then work the bottom of the lens. Continue with the top and slip the top right corner into the gasket. Finally, slip the bottom right corner into place and work the right edge into the gasket.